Good afternoon, morning, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is January the 1st, 2024. Happy New Year. And we're looking at our Southern Highbush blueberry. Now these, I went ahead and started to neglect them throughout last year. So what we're looking at is the aftermath of a decent amount of neglect. Now, it was a wet year last year, and it's been a wet year heading into this year, so I would say like a wet winter, as well as a previous wet summer. But we're looking at these blueberries. I wanted to see if they could survive and thrive on their own, and some of them, they look a little dry and mottled like this, but others are still doing okay. So if you look over here, this one's going to form a whole bunch of new leaves. You look over here, this one actually is the one that performs the best. We look at the leaf structures and whatnot. We have not received a tremendous amount of blueberry production from these blueberry bushes. But if I wanted to, or had the time, I could take care of these guys a little bit better, and we could get more production out of them. We could get actual decent amount of blueberry production. I haven't really done anything to this soil over here, except for try to fix the soil with some this yellow stuff called sulfur, like sulfur pellets. And what that does is that leaches into the soil when there's rain or water, and it mixes with the water to create hydrosulfuric acid, which then acidifies the soil. Is it working? That's probably helping these guys a little bit, but I'm really wondering about the location, because I've seen in like the Carolinas, they have hillsides or mountainsides that are facing the south. That's the direction where the sun is during the winters in North America. And then the summertime, they're still kind of tilted a little bit more toward the sun as they're facing south. So there's that. But they get really good productivity in those locations in the full sun parts of those mountains. But I know that they feed them with all kinds of fertilizers and stuff too, so there's that. I'm not doing that at all. Now, I went all the way north into Alaska, and the blueberry bushes that they had in the town of Girdwood, they were growing literally under the canopies of their trees, their forest, and they were plentiful. So I'm really trying to mimic that type of environment, but I have a feeling this little wall over here that I have is kind of preventing that from happening. I'm not sure, but at some point I might take this wall down. I don't know. We'll see. Or just change the location of these blueberries. And I also want to get them in a more fertile soil setting so that they can produce better. Anyhow, folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, because I'm going to take some time and dedicate that time to recreating different situations for these blueberry bushes to hopefully get them to produce well here in the state of Florida going forward. Have a great day.